everyone, my name is Sarah. Welcome back to another Moulage Monday with Lanier Technical College Hall Campus Simulation Center. Today I'm going to be showing you how to moulage different kinds of bites and stings. First up, I'm going to do a dog bite, and then I'm going to do a tick bite, particularly the bullseye that you sometimes get with tick bites, and then I'm going to do bed bugs. As far as materials, you're going to need Tegaderm, modeling wax. I'm using this brand right here, something to get your wax out with. I've got my two favorite Ben Nye palettes, the Master Bruce Wheel and the Monster Wheel. Some flesh tone makeup. This is Pocket Nurse, but you can use any kind. Makeup applicators. And then I'm using Pocket Nurse No Stain Fake Blood. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead, get some modeling wax out. I'm going to try to create a little swelling. Alright, I'm going to get my tan makeup applicator, go in, cover up this modeling wax. Alright, now you can see I've got a fair amount of swelling. After that, I'm going to take the end of my Q-tip applicator and I'm going to make a few different holes. Now, when you're trying to decide what you want your dog bite to look up, I like to go on Google and just find a dog bite that I want on my SP, or in this case, my mannequin arm, to look like, and I just try to replicate it. Just gonna dig holes. Alright. Now I'm going to go in and try to create a little bruising in the area. I'm going to use the end of this cotton tip applicator. Get this purple from the Master Bruce Wheel. I'm going to go around these puncture sites with the purple. Make it look like bruising has started. Alright, after that I'm going to take another corner of my sponge applicator, get this red from my Master Bruce Wheel palette, and then just kind of go near the purple, dab it. Alright, after you do that, you're going to take a different cotton tip applicator. You're going to take this darker burgundy color right here in this Master Bruise Wheel palette. Get some up on the end of your Q-tip. And then try to go into these holes as much as you possibly can. You may have to take the other side of your Q-tip. Alright, after you get that in, you're going to take another cotton tip applicator. You're going to go in with your fake blood and then just dab it on the puncture marks that you have created. Alright, and there you go. There is our first bite. For my next bite, I'm going to be making a bullseye tick, and I'm going to take 4 pieces of tegaderm that I have because they're all kind of small, and I'm just going to make a quadrant right here on the arm. Alright, I went ahead and applied all my tegaderm, and now I'm going to apply a little tan makeup just to make the tegaderm not as shiny. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to take another side of my sponge. I'm going to take this red from the Master Bruise Wheel palette, and I'm going to make lightly an outer ring. I'm going to smudge it a little just to make it a little bit light. Alright, I'm going to take the same color, go in with the middle ring. This one can be a little bit darker. Alright, now that that's done, you're going to make a darker center target right here where the bite originated. For that, I'm going to take my Monster Wheel palette. I'm going to take this dark burgundy right here, get a little on the tip of my sponge. I'm just going to lightly make a center dot. Go back in with my red, make that center dot a little bit more angled. After I'm done with that center bullseye, I'm going to take a little blue. I'm gonna go in right here. take another corner, get this purple from the Master Bruce Wheel palette. Go in. Alright, and there you have it. That is the bullseye tick bite. For my last bite, I'm going ahead and do bed bugs. When you're making bed bugs, try to lay down your tegaderm in a zigzag but still a line formation. Alright, now that my tegaderm's blied, I'm going to go in with my flesh tone makeup and a sponge applicator, and I'm going to dab it onto the tegaderm so it doesn't look so shiny. Now that that's done, I'm going to take a cotton tip applicator. I'm going to take this red from my Master Bruce Wheel. And then I'm going to just start creating bites in a line or a zigzag formation. I like to take my finger and dab it a little just so the bites aren't so round. Looks like there's erythema around it a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Monster Wheel palette, get some white, my cotton tip applicator, and kind of go around these bites. Make the surrounding areas more pink than red. And go with your finger or your sponge and make sure the colors are blended a little bit better. And these are my bedbug bites. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. Next week we'll be continuing the Bites and Stings series, so I hope to see you again next week, and thanks for watching.